Hey, what's up, Elizabeth? Good morning. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking on this video, taking the time to watch this. I spoke with Kyler real briefly yesterday afternoon. Just basically wanted to send you guys some information on things that I saw you could do to, help improve your online presence through your website and start bringing in some more customers that way. Now, Elizabeth, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners haven't found the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to start bringing in more business. Usually, the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. When I give these attack plans out for free, people still call me back sometimes and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I just prefer you do this stuff for me. So, at the end of the video, Elizabeth, if you watch and find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could do some good for your business, feel free to give me a call. We can talk more about it. If you guys just want to apply this information and run with it and do it yourself, that works with me too. I just hope you find it helpful is all. So, the things I want to go over real briefly is how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked in the local map packs, okay? So starting off just by looking at you guys as a website, it's the fact that you have a website like that's great, and it doesn't look bad, right? Like I like the colors. This shade of blue is actually probably my favorite if I'm being honest with you. And I like the logo as well. Um, okay, so you guys do have some content. Now, so unfortunately, the website isn't going to be ranked based off of how good it looks. Just point blank, Google to be considered authoritative, you guys need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Because the thing is Google wants to, Google's going to put the person at the top of the search results that has the most information to answer a consumer's question, right? And if you don't have, because the average homepage on Google has about 1,800 words, so if you guys aren't sitting close to that 1,500 mark, you guys are going to lose a lot of power that way, and a lot of people won't even see you online. So that's one thing. And then while I'm here, Elizabeth, too, let me see what you guys save your images as. See, that's just saved as image. If you guys were to go back through here and save that as a keyword like San Antonio HVAC contractor, and then the same thing goes with each one of your little buttons and pictures, all of those can be saved as keywords. If you just save those as logos, you guys are also missing out on some power you could bring back to yourself that way. Um, so that's more or less it on the content part. I'm gonna hop over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives us just some really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. And touching on how to make you guys' website more trustworthy, that's all judged on how many other relevant websites are linking back to yours, right? So that's what we call a referring domain. Whereas you guys have four, and that's not a bad start, right? But we plugged in one of your competitors, Champion AC, and again, too, touching on see, these guys actually don't even have a lot of content on their homepage, too. They're like, we plug their information here. We can see these guys are getting about 3,000 people a month to their website. They have 346 other referring domains. Now, when it comes to doing this, literally the only thing you guys need to do, Elizabeth, is go in here and find out exactly the exact same backlinks that Champion has, go in and make an accounts for you guys' company on those websites, and then they'll give you guys backlinks as well. Just make sure you're only doing it for companies that are relevant to your industry. You don't want a bunch of pizza companies linking back to you because you guys aren't a pizza company, right? So that's more or less it. Let me go back here, and I just want to touch briefly on also too, when it comes to that content, you guys aren't ranking for any keywords right now. Just to give you an idea of like, you need more content, because if you don't, Google's not gonna see that you had. They kind of know that there's not enough like content, and the keywords that you're trying to rank for or be noticed for are kind of forced. So let me see what these guys are ranking for. AC repair. See, that's a national keyword, but that's crazy because these guys are ranked in the fourth position, and there's 5,100 people a month searching AC repair. These guys are in the fourth position for that. See, so you guys want to like AC San Antonio, Texas. They're in the first position. There's 250 people a month searching for that. AC repair San Antonio, Texas. There's 150 search volume for that, and they're in the first position for that, right? So that's why getting more content on your homepage is extremely important, guys. And then you can start ranking for some of those buyer intent keywords. It's going to get you guys more business and customers that are actually ready to use your services right now. And I know I kind of went on a little bit of a tangent there, Elizabeth. I hope that made sense. The last thing is going to be how to get you guys ranked in this local map pack. right? Someone that needs a HVAC contractor, they usually need a service, right? They're not just looking that kind of stuff up for fun. As statistically, people will skip these ads. Either they've had a bad experience with an advertised company or they just have ad blockers, so they don't see it anyways. To get ranked in these local map packs, and you can see Champion is pretty much dominating across the board. All you guys need to do is go find how many citations they have, which all that is how many times your business name, phone number, and address is listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Craigslist, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. Add yourself to the exact same directories that Champion is in, and then go add yourself to about 50 more, and you guys are going to be golden. There's a ton of room for improvement here. So, yeah, Miss Elizabeth, that's pretty much all I got for you. Just a quick recap again. Content is king. Excuse me. You guys' website already looks good. I like the theme. It does need more content, about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And make sure you're stuffing that content with these buyer intent keywords like AC repair San Antonio, Texas, air conditioning San Antonio, what have you. Same thing with the backlinks. Again, go in here. You guys need more trust and relevant websites pointing back to you. See some of the backlinks and referring domains that your competitors have, and go and get accounts with the same ones that are relevant to your industry. And same thing, apply the copycat method to these directories, get yourselves in the same ones, find about 50 more. All right, Elizabeth, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll get this video over to you. If you have any questions, concerns, you found this useful, wanted to talk more, give me a call back and we can. My name is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Elizabeth. Have a great day. Bye.